What's up, my YouTube family? I'm back again with another video. We're gonna probably post this junk tonight. If you've seen the thumbnail, yes, in your mind it might be what you think it is. So we had a very productive day today. We went out and bought something for the company. And guys, all this stuff now that I do, I don't spend my personal money. This is stuff that I made from my business. It's all business money. This ain't Cody's personal money. It's business money. I got to the point now where I'm making decent money and I don't have to use my own money anymore to buy equipment or anything. So I'm gonna take you guys through this thing real quick because it's a real beautiful day out. And I know I'm gonna prolong it just a little bit, just enough to get you guys wondering, what did he buy? What did he buy? Something I always needed, and you guys are gonna see it. We're gonna go over it here in a little bit. It's nothing spectacular, but it's an accomplishment to me because I can use it. So, the moment you guys all been waiting for, my surprise. For those who watch my channel, this is what you guys been waiting for. Dun, dun, dun. We're gonna flip the camera. Alright guys, so right here is gonna be my new welding rig trailer. Got the mitered ends right here. 45, that's my old bumper I was gonna make. So the welding rig is gonna be a 6x10 or 6x14 including the tongue. That's it right there. Got my axles. Those aren't ideal axles, but I mean that's what I have, so I'm gonna use them. Now the actual leaf springs and everything is attached to this thing right here that I already prefabbed up at my parents' shop. Then we got the metal back there, and then we got my other welding rig here. We're gonna use this for like trash or whatever, miscellaneous. But this is gonna be my new setup. It's gonna be a 10-foot. Now what you guys really been waiting for, and I apologize if the wind is really loud. It's really windy out. But this is what you guys been really looking forward to seeing. Alright guys, so this is a allis-chalmers lift truck. Made in the US. There's the model, there's the capacity, 3,000 pounds. I think this thing will go up to, the lift is 10 foot, so I mean it's about 3,000 pounds max is what it can lift. I don't know how much it weighs. That part of the tag is not on there. I have to figure that out. Got the temperature sensor, you got the hour meter, which is only 597 hours. The oil pressure, the amperage, the keys, the buckles. I got this from this company, so we're not promoting. Let me just get a forward shot for you guys. So this is what it looks like. It's a small forklift. I mean, it's not like a big, gigantic forklift. It's more what I need it for. Yeah, that's what we got. It's got, I think it's 4-foot forks. We got some, but this is what it looks like. It's a little forklift. It goes 10 feet, I think. That's the highest. This is what the back looks like. And they got their thing on the back. I'm gonna take that off. Probably paint it a different color. Sorry for the wind. But yeah, this is what the forklift looks like. Got a seat. It's got the motor. We're gonna take the motor. Oh no. Only thing they say is that it overheated a couple times. So we got to take it apart. Not take the whole thing apart, but just look at it and see what we got to do. Probably gonna do some work on the carburetor because it's got a hot idle, and it's. But overall, it's a good little motor. It's alternator charges. Got a couple of lines and stuff. I mean, we'll figure it out. It ain't too bad, you know. So here's the motor. It's I think it's like a N64 motor or something. But yeah, that's what it is, guys. It's a motor with a fan in the back, radiator. Probably gonna have to get a new radiator eventually. Probably have to pull that radiator out. I don't know if it leaks, but they said it ran hot a few times, so I mean that ain't too bad, you know, for what I got it for. I only paid $1,200 for this forklift. So, take a stand back and look at it. This will work great. Oh, so you got the regular off-road tires over there, and then on this side you got a slick right there, and you got off-road tires. So I'll probably get off-road tires for the whole thing. But yeah, guys, this is the welding machine. This is my new forklift. Tell you, let me what you guys think about that. Was that a good purchase? Was it a bad purchase? I need write-off, so I mean this is a good write-off purchase for me. So y'all just tell me what you think. I mean, just drop it down in the comments. Then I'm gonna do like a little awesome film shot, probably dark in the background and stuff, make it look cool so you guys can see it. All right, enjoy the music.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me.
Alright, first thing first, I like to say is, I like my new forklift, but I got stuck, okay? I was moving some stuff, the stuff fell back there, and it slid off. So I decided to back up, but I was in the driveway, then I got out of the driveway, and I got stuck. Right, focus. Right there, I got stuck right there. The driveway was good. I went over too far and I got stuck. Again, went over too far and I got stuck. So, probably call a buddy of mine, or probably could call a buddy of mine to help me get unstuck. But that's the way this stuff rolls, man. Alright guys, that's what we got on the trailer so far. Right now we're in the shade of a building. That's what we got. Got the axles. Well, we got where they're gonna go. Can't see squat. Oh, you can. Okay, cool. We're gonna take square. I'll be right back.